Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to change your export resolution within Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. So now that we have our transition made, we're going to want to export this. So normally you can just go, if you want the full resolution, add to render queue, go down here to output, and then make sure you turn it on to RGB plus alpha. And audio output you can turn off since there's no audio. And that will allow you to basically get rid of the black background, so this will just be an overlay. You can say okay, export it where you want, and say render. If you're not quite ready to use this at the 4K resolution, what you'll want to do is make a new composition and then change your preset to whatever resolution you want. So like I'm going to use HD, like 1080p at 29.97 since that's what we use for 90% of our stuff. And then I will call this, we'll just call this 1080, oops. We'll just call this 1080p, then export. And then you say okay. And then you'll want to grab your main, drag that into here, and that will be in here, but it's going to be really large. So you want to hit S, go to your scale, change that to 50%, since 1080p is 50% smaller. And then you'll have this, you'll have your transition that you made in 1080p now. And then from there, you can go in to composition, add to render queue, and then change your settings. Like we said before, say OK. Choose an output location, which I have an assets folder. And then you can say render. Okay, so once that's rendered, then you will have your little transition that you can use. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, leave us a comment on anything you'd like to see us do, and we'll see you next time.